Hi there, it's Chris Hamilton here with bookkeepingautomation.com and also entermyinvoice.com. And we're on to tip number 17 of the bookkeeping and accounting marketing tips. And tip number 17 is what makes you different. So, one of the things I got to talk about is if you're running a business, you need to have a difference, or you need to have something that differentiates you. Being the same as your competitors is boring and bland. And literally, if you're doing the exact same thing, then quite honestly, there's no reason for a client to stay with you or migrate to someone else. So you got to think about what gets you or what makes you different. So just to give you an example, as it relates to bookkeeping automation or entermyinvoice.com, here's what makes us different, or just one of the ways of several that makes us different than others. So 70% of all businesses in Canada, or roughly 70% of all small businesses in Canada, are on QuickBooks. Of those, about 90% are on QuickBooks Desktop. We are the only company that can connect to QuickBooks Desktop with an accounts payable process, or basically do the manual entry or get rid of the manual entry into QuickBooks Desktop. So that means that I can go after 63% of the market share in Canada of small businesses. Now, what you need to do is you need to think about what makes you different. Do you do the same bookkeeping or accounting, but in less time, which means that people don't have to pay as much? Do you have better services? Do you have one price per month? Are you on value pricing, for example? Do you help generate sales for your clients? You think about it this way. If you have a bunch of clients that you're working with, a whole bunch of them, you could be cross-pollinating and introducing to one another to help grow sales. There's a huge differentiator. Do you only work in one industry? And the other thing too is, who in your network can you leverage to help these people out? Businesses always want to get sales. If you can help them drive sales, guess what? The clients will stay with you. So you really need to think about what makes you different, create that unique value proposition or selling proposition, and then go to the market with that. So I'm going to give you another example here of ways that you could be unique or differentiate yourself in the marketplace. First of all, you can leverage our platform, Bookkeeping Automation, or if you're working with, if you're corporate clients, working with corporate clients directly, you can use entermyinvoice.com for any of your QuickBooks Desktop clients, because of the fact that, we can go after 63% of the entire marketplace in Canada, in the small and medium business marketplace, with our tool, and we look for partners to do this stuff. You can use our value pricing tool to find out how many transactions a company has so that you can price it appropriately on a monthly fee. And then what you do is you can provide a superior service at a competitive single monthly price. And not only that, by leveraging a platform like ours, you would reduce your manual entry up to 80%, which means you'll become way more profitable. So think about it this way: better service, competitive single monthly price, and way more profitable just by doing this and leveraging a tool like ours that is the only tool of its kind that works with QuickBooks Desktop clients, which is 90% of the marketplace. Huge way to differentiate yourself. So I'll tell you what, if you want to try a 30-day free trial of our software, go to bookkeepingautomation.com. Got a little button on there. You can click on it for a free trial and give us a try. And we'd love to help you out and help you with your business.